Today we're checking out this Windshield Header Seal for the 2007 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. If you've ever dealt with that annoying wind noise from your windshield, or that surprise of water sneaking around the windshield area, this is one of those simple fixes that makes your Jeep way more enjoyable again, so it's definitely worth looking into. This is going to be an OEM quality replacement windshield header seal, so the whole goal here is to solve the leak problem instead of just masking it. When that original seal gets old and worn out, you can end up with wind and water coming through at the top end of that windshield, and it doesn't take much rain for that to get old really fast. Replacing it tightens everything back up so you're not hearing that constant whistle on the highway, and you're not dealing with drips during storms or after the car wash. This is going to help whether you're running a hard or a soft top, and you want that front edge to seal the way that it should, because a good header seal is what keeps that area from feeling loose. This one in particular is going to come with automotive grade adhesive tape already pre-applied to help it keep in place, and it's designed to be a straightforward install. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. The bottom line, if your JK is leaking, this is one of the quickest quality of life upgrades that you can do, so it's definitely worth considering. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a quality molded foam rubber in black. That's exactly the kind of material that you want for sealing because it compresses properly and it holds its shape to keep the wind and water out long term. That molded design helps it sit where it's supposed to and stay reliable over time instead of flattening out immediately and becoming another headache after a few season cycles. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the $80 price range. For something that can fix leaks and cut down wind noise, this is a solid value because it's way cheaper than dealing with water damage in the vehicle, moldy smells, or constantly fighting the problem with temporary fixes. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in just 30 minutes of your time. So let's head on out to the shop and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
So for this installation, you'll need a drill with a rubber wheel to get the glue off. You'll need a drill bit, an 1/8 inch drill bit, some 1/8 inch rivets, a knife to scrape some of the glue off, and a rivet gun.
Alright guys, so first off you want to start by undoing the top and get the top off so you can get to the seal. Alright, so now for this step, you just want to kind of get up under it off of this little flat part and work it out. I have fat fingers.
Yeah, it is almost like somebody put adhesive on here.
Alright, old one's off, new one's going in. We're drilling that rivet out now. Got it right off there.
And we also already went ahead and got this side off.
So now, we should go through and remove all that glue. So I went ahead and removed it. Removed all of that glue with my drill and my little eraser. It's looking really good. Just gonna clean it up a little bit more and ready for the new seal. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the new one on after we got all that old glue off.
So this will just go. Oh, dude.
Yeah, I think that's good. All right, so we got these rivets in place. We're gonna go ahead and take the 3M tape off the back of the strip and stick it down into place. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and rip this red tape off and stick it on down. All right, guys, seal's installed, and we're just cleaning it up, making it look good. Oh my gosh, that glue is nasty. All right, she's stuck like Chuck. No more moving. Huh?
Want the passenger side?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the top on, and it's done.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the Windshield Header Seal for the 2007 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JKs. And for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.